Principles to get success in life. You need to think for yourself about what is true. You need to decide for yourself what to do. And you need to have a courage to do it. Principles are smart ways for handling things that happen over and over again in similar situation. Here are 5 principles you need to follow for success. 1. Goals. Know your goals and run after that. 1. What is best for you depends on your nature. 1. So you need to really understand yourself and know what you want to achieve in life. 2. Problems. You'll encounter the problem that stand in the way of getting to your goals. 2. Identify those problems. 3. Diagnosis. Diagnosis those problems to get at their root causes. 4. Design. Design a plan to eliminate the problems. 4. This is where you will determine what you need to do to get around them. 5. Do it. Execute those designs. 5. Pushing yourself to do what's needed to progress towards your goal. 5. A successful life essentially consists of doing these 5 steps over and over again. 5. This is your personal evolution. 5. And you see this process everywhere. 5. It's just the law of nature. 5. Think of any product, any organization, or any person you know, and you'll see that this is true for them. 5. Evolution is simply a process of either adapting or dying.